In another new twist, Perry confirmed that he talked with his general counsel, David Medina, just hours before Willingham's execution in 2004. Willingham's attorney had just faxed in another fire expert's conclusion that arson didn't cause the fatal fire and asked Perry to delay the execution. Perry later appointed Medina to the Texas Supreme Court. After Medina's house burned in 2007, a Harris County grand jury indicted him for records tampering and his wife with arson. The charges were dropped against him for insufficient evidence and against her, ironically, after an arson investigator hired by Medina found arson could not have been the cause.
People don't know what went on. People don't know, including the district attorney, the evidence that we amassed in this case.
As to the charge of there not being any evidence, the grand jury's response was, A, you don't know what the evidence is because you weren't in the room. B, you didn't have time to see transcripts of it or to look at what we had seen at the time you first announced that there was not enough evidence. And C, there was an overwhelming amount of evidence.
The evidence that we heard against Francisca Medina and Justice Medina was absolutely overwhelming. And if this were allowed to be made public, I doubt he'd be sitting on the bench today.
Was not a group of left-wing, agenda-driven activists. There were other officials of Republican Party politics. These are not people that have some sort of secret agenda to drive conservative judges out of office.
Yeah, they're not complaining about some crack case they indicted last month that got dismissed. They're complaining about Justice Medina because it's high profile. They can get on the news.
What I will concede is that these people have a grudge against dishonest and corrupt politicians.